Morning. In this episode, we checking out a Volkswagen Tiguan out here in Dallas, Texas. So 2018, one of my clients, they bought it recently and they just want to get pretty much an oil change on it and also a multi-point inspection to see if it needs like some brakes. Taking on a little test drive because they may be leaving town in it, just getting it ready for the winter and whatnot. Really nice house too. This engine has the 2.0 turbo, I'm pretty sure. They put these in a lot of these engines. Since we're doing an oil change on it, it takes 6 quarts of 0W20 and the oil filter size is a 117/84. It's actually pretty clean under here still. It only has 47,000 miles. Only thing I would actually check for with it being a 2018 is maybe the condition of some of the vacuum lines, anything plastic that could be like on the way to be dry rotten. Maybe some of the hoses. Sometimes it's not the mileage, it's the time. See what that oil looks like. Ooh. It's a little dirty. It's actually pretty clean under here too still. CV axles look fine. There's no leaks coming from the transmission. There's no funny smells down here. There's no electrical wiring chewed up. For the oil bolt, you're gonna need a T30. Got full synthetic oil. I topped off the coolant.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna top off the coolant. I topped off the windshield wiper fluid. I'm gonna add some coolant. The rotors installed on them? Okay. You still have that car too?
Yes.
Okay.
It's always with you.
Oh, okay.
Let me know when you're done, and I'll just go check.
Okay. Alright. I noticed this right here. See how I kind of got them lines in it? That came from a car being jumped improperly. So they probably crossed the wires or something like that happened. They got it off just in time. All right, we added that 6 quarts of oil, tighten that filter, not too tight, just how it needs to be. Battery looks in really good condition. Nice. All right, and we on to the next one. The only thing I would recommend are maybe some 2 front tires before the winter. All the brakes are above 70% and overall pretty good car. Pretty good. Now we're on to the next one.